you are my hero and my role model. Thank you for your time, love, and care for us. I love you so much. May you live long. Happy Father's Day.
Apa da minyang pabo ihuna. Upa nang katok ni mengok Palan Nyih ating ne nang Chingmei pupango nang. Upa nang kan puhasap si puahang ni payo Bumeinok. Upa nang da minyang pa nang Happy Father's Day. Upa kawang pawo nang Yinjun Naam pa.
Kadang lima ada kawang Moitan dan maaf yang apa Yinjun. Yung nok ya nok mong kadok nok Chingmei hakpa longpa chane ya fan mai trong bu chane chi apui I hayim lan tuman da ni cha no wei tui nan da sapu mi kri wei ya cha no wei sin yo yan li ai mai yidam wang nyok ya fan ma chu hei wan ni mai bu hi bok ma tak hai lem dam ma trong ya pui ia tuman da ni wang ai tu doi mai pa dam tuman mong mai tu doi mai chin na I mu bu khom khom bu pa chu de chang bu kai tuman da ni tu doi mai dam again ma ibe upasa awang pa ni kunap I mong may na tampu tok kay audio ibe mong may na itamo upa nang linyang pu tui may ma chong pu tuman hayin nan mo nang tuman alik apyang amay ni myango china ilak pa tuman ng nang ilak pa lup nang ilak pa tiniyo tuman chiniyo pe Palan Nyih ma nang china tuman hayin nan na tiniyo yupuwe ilak pa kawang pa nang ayin ilak pa chilaw sang tawa ang pasiyok nang kawang nang ilak pa Moitan ha. Palan Nyih ma ngay na KPPK Bumeinok mong mapu payong lante Palan Nyih salam ilak pa China tanang naman Moitan da kawang Moitan ha.
A very good morning to you all. My name is Shongna C, Panja. Today is a very special day, and on this special day, I would like to wish all the fathers, the past, the present, and soon-to-be fathers a very happy Father's Day. Today, I would like to say a few words of gratitude to all the fathers. Truly, a father's love is a special gift for us from heaven. Fathers have been a great influence to all the children in some way or the other. Fathers have guided us and mentored us to become the person we are today. Even though there were times of unbecomings and not being as you expected us to be, we all still love you and respect you a lot. I'm sure that every children looks up to you, fathers, as the best role model. My dad always told me to be humble and be brave, and he always gives the best advice. My dad is not only a role model to me, but also to others. Opa, I know it is difficult to understand me most of the times, but your inherent patience humbles me and your love I know is unconditional. Thank you, Opa, for that, and I truly hope and pray that you stay healthy and will always be there by my side for a very long time. I'll also try my best to make you proud because I am who I am because of your care and your support. I love you and respect you a lot. I'm thankful to God Almighty for giving me the best father. And to those who have lost their fathers, I'm sure your Father in heaven are looking down on you and are feeling very proud of you for what you are today. Be brave and always have trust in the Lord, for He will always guide you through. In conclusion, I once again wish all the fathers a very happy Father's Day and pray that you all live long and a very healthy life. Amen.
Wangna apa imanda Father's Day salam bagi China Chenlong. Ini pani tai tamma apa da munyong pu yang mong mai pu ngau tan ki ihuna. Apa nanga achingna semba mai yang niom ba mai ki ya yang kunyo ba mai ki ngona. Apa nanga kawang fa bu yong ba ngau semai bua achingna na ngona. Opo tau chu de mong sang mong me ngoi ya pai nanga ata mong long la tam nang ki yang bu mai fa yang ki. Yang nok sama nanga yublok king desa kunyo ngau lai bande. Kawang sauran yamadi na kawang de tinglak lak kata de kan lak kata de hen nyai lak ameng mun tam lak cheng kan du mo lak cheng ma nyau le tam yang ki hiang nang nyau le tu yo ma kan ting lak cheng nang ate nyau le tam yang ki kan ting nya si bu tok ka ya ngu yin nang se na ngau sa chu de mong chang te tam nang upa nang ka wang so san wan de nang ma le pu amai ni yang ki hiang nang dong tu tu so di ma to yu ong sing ya yang ki upa nang nga ching na semai bu pa ngo nangวันนังกันปัวจึงน่าเอาไปจูนี่กันเลยว่าตัวนังกินเนี่ยหังอยู่ได้เอาไฟอยู่เดียวคือตัวนังกินเนี่ยเสียจะโลกุยูอ่ะก็วังเดี๋ยวปวดตรงนั้นก็วังนังยันคุยโชว์เดียวยันหลักเลยมวยมันสิ
Upa, nanga palan yo may simay upa. Upa, nango po kaya nuksa to lumay may ngo nang. Upa, nande minyong panang. Kawang nang ayun Chenlong ang pa. Happy Father's Day upa.
Abang na kawang hado gibu hibak may ayun may to upo na jing na yung minyong panang kawang da. Ano tawa ba jing isyo me. Karong ni me ngobu palan da abang na Happy Father's Day. Hado China tam na. Abawa jing na superhero jane ngo nang. Iya yung jing na protection, guidance, but love. Hado yung panang. Iya abu Yannyu Eanglam juga ada Thailand cina, Konyak cina ye hayang boy. Hangga kawang mongbu bagi ngolak hado jeng sana nang. Hado kaya tadi yang yo Chenlong tam yang ki. Hado cina upara minyong panang. Anu upaya yung heartbroken jane nang. Ima yingho ya boy teman yuan de anu teman hado ki dongwan de abu yilan iya hado ki panang nang. Anu noksame anu ma boy yang anau teman de ni jano hoi. Chingmei mong sang hangga siya sa ngay itam hayang boy mong may sa pay ang atam nang upa nangakan bu hadawa ida bu inikem kawang baba nang ayan Chenlong sang sewe hadaw ki ang atam fa love you so much happy Father's Day
nang siyang ngayon fayo sak oklak ho kawang mapumoy man upa ayan na nangopo kaya ayan Chenlong sayong po at afanang nang Shongna Chongpuwa yalak per singayapu alam ngoyang ki hato singyapuwa katok niyo manlam hay sangen yasak oklak upa nang tuman ta fapu hanghaw yoma siyong pupaa kawang ngaw ma ayen ya chong ya fen linglak niyo pungonang saa tower sing okpuwa payong cha yopu kaya kawang pa mapu Yia kampu konchong daw nang at yoplak nyaw tampu ching na minyong nang upa nang chinta fanfapu kanpu kaya at kanlak hay ameng winlak nyaw tam nang ngaw yapang kapoy opa nang at tin yilakay nang at kanang sa tawasing nang upa nang mapu manlam hay konchong kaya ayan lam niyo wangay tam nang nanga at tinga tampu pa hayang to nenglak hakdang amay upa katalana at nanga nang pa leng nang ki siya iwanta at na hatawa mong may sayong pupa opa katalana haka iyapay tawa tay tapu kata kia aying nying taynang upa hatolan kongkam putok na nang yalak per yok pu kaya at ayen chen nyaw tam nang nang tuman chingna lingyang pu asay chingna minyong nang upa hang chingna nang yanang maa tanyi pu ya ma tuman yaong yasipu tuman hato kan ngoy puwa nang kan pu hay pau tip pu chingna ngonang upa nang ngupo chingna tuman ota mauhinang hayang nang nyoya katok nima ang hiyo yaya oklak katok nima tuman apalan chingna kawang pa nang minyong panang tanay.
Today I'll be giving a short message on the account of Father's Day. Happy Father's Day to all the fathers. Luke chapter 15 verse 20 says, "But while he was still a long way off, his father saw him and was filled with compassion for him. He ran to his son, drew his arms around him and kissed him." Luke chapter 15 verse 20. A father is neither an anchor to hold us back, nor a sail to take us there, but a guiding light whose love shows us the way. To speak of father's love, words are not enough to speak the essence of love deep within our hearts. A father is a friend, a brother, a teacher, a coach, you name it, upon whom we can always rely. In the hour of need, when everything fails, we remember him upon whose knees we sat when we were children, and who soothed our sorrows. And even though he may be unable to assist us, his mere presence serves to comfort and strengthen us. His guiding hands on our shoulders will remain with us forever. When we need real understanding, when we need someone to care, when we need someone to guide us, a father is always there. Fathers sometimes can be strict and have little words to say, but their nature of understanding the insight makes them wise. Their words are few, but all sorrows combined can be dissolved with it, spoken from millions of words running through their head. Fathers are torch barriers. They lead the way through all thick and thin. They have fought their way so that we might stand a chance in this driven world. Fathers are selfless visionaries, plan the whole future for his children. They have set stepping stones with tears and hope that we may be safe in the prospect of our dreams. In fact, fathers are the martyrs to their children's success. Fathers didn't do anything unusual. They only did what fathers are supposed to do. What a father says to his children is not heard by the world, but it will be heard by posterity. Someone said, I talked and talked and talked and talked, and I haven't taught people in years what my father taught by example in 1 week. I will be ending with a line given by Jim Valvano. He says, my father gave me the greatest gift anyone could give another person. My father believes in me. Thank you. God bless you all.
There goes a saying, no person in this world can love a girl more than her father. And when I think about this, I really can't comprehend in words how thankful and grateful I am to have you in my life. Sometimes in the midst of our busy lives, we often tend to forget that the little things and privileges that we get to enjoy every day, there is a man behind it, a man who is willing to support you, and a man who is willing to sacrifice everything for our happiness, a man who is there for you when you need him, and that is a father. Thank you for the sacrifices and privileges that you have made for me, and also for believing in me, for constantly pushing me, and for strengthening me, and for teaching me the biggest lesson, the love of God. My dad has always taught me to be kind no matter what, and that is the greatest and the biggest lesson that anyone can ever instill in me. I am what I am today because of him. My dearest Appa, you will always be my first love, the man that I have admired from the very start, and no matter how small and grown up I may be, you will always have a warm place in my heart. Once again, wishing a very happy Father's Day to all our heroes.
Apa ka wange mui hai man pu yo me shimai pu pango nang. Apa ngo puwa jingne hang shinne ya tu shau mai pai no. Apa shinne mai puwa ka tok nyu nai ko ne yam ya pu yi tau lak. Apa ve atakan pu ka ye wanglam amai ma e nyawe tam yang ki. Ka wang te yob lang ngau ting ilak. Ai ha te wang shim haulak. Lai pan te Taiwan te mato lan ngau chai lak. Ane Sunday School Taiwan te o mato lan ngau chai lak nyawe tam yang ki. Akam ne apa te ngau cha ihu nang. Upa nang ne nyawe tampu tawe au pe o yipi lak. Upa nang te minyong pa nang. Ka wang ne nang ajin chin lawe ang pa. Happy Father's Day upa.
Kadok nyue Palan Nyih iri sempunyima apa Chinmei Moiman pungau atem ihutena. Apa Chinmei awang panau mai shimpa ayang ace anong monang. Apa shangai pong puai wanglum ngai pu kaye nok noksa sim simshe maye wang ngoi pu monang. Opa nangate ma nya uli pu yome tawo singya puwa. Kawang pade nyamli chonglak ching singyang ki. Tinyo tau hangi nemeng hatawa nang kaya ngonang. Tinyi tau taya tau pa chanang pungau. awang ne nang tu chong mai yong wan te nang ngin khau ta hai tau ngoyang ki apui tini tau nang te I shi lai nang nanga mohiman pupa kawang te nyamli pupa yong anyo tuiso sing okupa sing ninang tawo ni chapa kawang sing pupa yong anyo yue linglak tuiso sing okupa payong jonglak se tainang palan sede kawang moiman shi
ada paya tambukan upa nahawan temu wang nanga ada yong kan na bawa tega ambu jingna tau tini hangiling oka painang nang ngopu ana nang nyawa pai bu jingna haingo nang oba nang kipu aw o yanang nang kan bu kato pimot pai sakpui o anyu tuman de sinyawa ya anglak jingna ni chei se wang nam ngai wai kai wang meng bu yising ba tuiling pai bu jingna tuman to le mayang ngopu oknang opa da tau yong mong mai bu ana o minyong phanang hangesukama nang ada ameng lama auko oma ne yatam tini nang de sume yela khangmo yanang hapui wangtang kawang to hai apa nang ayen Chenlong ang pha se yok nang opa happy father's day
nak mai Moilan da awang na happy father's day among hambu tau kan bu opa nanga anyu hayanga nang hayam lan tuman khong kambu chingda mong hambu shongyu nanga wai hai wang hi yep nyek wang yang hai chu shi wan meng pai wan da lolak sampang phabuba nanga ada konjong hai chu te phabuba upa au benau ta khana tau ngau man wang ya pe nang da upa se Nyimpo sing wang yang ki tau okpunap nang ha se nang man mai tam nang anyu yok ki sang bunap pachina ameng amai khong kampu nang hai ki nang apa tumanda ha yeng hai ni mo phabu sana yichi hapui taman yan lak chingna bum hai chu dai sangpu hangi phayu phine yok apa kawang da nyamali pu payong cha se Yannyu Eanglam kaya tamana singa oknang noksama chai cha pa ma kan bu Yannyu bu tau obiu pina yok hayang hipak phe ma kan bu phe kawang da nyamali lak cheng nyau bu kaya tini tau kawang mai bu cheng singa painang upa nang langyang bu tu shaulan khong kumpu chingna wang hinyu dana iyapu I yekam ok hapui tini palante I she dai bu ni ma among chang khong kumpu nang de menyong panang kawang kppp palan Moilan de ayen Chenlong sangso angpa.
A very blessed morning, afternoon, evening, or night to each and every one of you, depending on what time of the day you're watching this. My name is Akap T. First of all, I would like to state that I am very grateful for this opportunity that I have received to talk about one of the greatest gifts in life, and that is our fathers. On this very special day, I would like to wish all the fathers a very happy Father's Day. I would like to thank all of you for the love and support that you have provided to your family. Fathers are indeed truly a blessing to each and every single one of us. They are the strongest pillar that supports and holds the family. It is true that being a father is one of the most important and difficult jobs, and that it requires tremendous amount of patience. But I also believe that it is one of the most rewarding jobs, and we are proud of you all for doing such a great job. And as for my dad, the amount of respect I have for this man cannot be put into words. He has taught me to be more confident in myself and has given me some of the best advice I could ever receive. He is the only person I trust without even a single doubt in my mind. Appa, I want to tell you that the person I am today is your work. You are the reason why I am who I am today. The love you have given me inspires me to be a better person each passing day. I love you, and I hope and pray that the Lord Almighty will bless you with a long and happy life. I would also like to take this time to appreciate and respect all those men who have been a father figure to the less fortunate ones. Be it a brother, an uncle, or even a friend, you guys deserve the world because you are a source of comfort for some people. And to those people who are discouraged, I just want to tell you that you are loved and will be loved. And instead of being discouraged, work on yourself to be the person your dad wanted you to be. And remember that he is always with you spiritually and is watching you from heaven above. In conclusion, I would like to state a quote by Bumeinok. My father gave me the greatest gift anyone could give another person. He believed in me. Once again, I wish all the fathers, father figures, and soon-to-be fathers a very happy Father's Day. We love you and will always remember you in our prayers. Thank you and have a blessed day.
Moilan din Chingmei ane ocean pajelan ngonang pani salam kawang ilak pa moimansi. Oba oba jeng ilakai wong konchong yinun buba panpa buba toki bu ngau keka jinda ngonang upaja noksa jing asang pa sa yichi hapoi siyong bu wong nang buba ane tengtam buba ngonang. Oba tawa jing upajeng ilakai iya ajing na siyong bu wong nang buba Jambuba Sayichi Apoy Tingdam Buba Niongonang. He is my biggest supporter as well as my biggest critic. On my failures, he encourages me, and on my success, he reminds me of the responsibility that comes along with the success. He is an epitome of love, loyalty, wisdom, strength, sacrifice, and integrity, and also a man who believes in the equality of both daughter and son. Upa tawanangda minyong pabay. Kawanga ilakpa moy mansi taman nahala niya pani sama yichi hapoy oba taman ayin ma imanin yobu amay lamda kemlakai hatoma tingma tamana imanda wangsum hobu ngonang. Once again, happy Father's Day to all the fathers. God bless you.
As a little girl, I wonder why my dad isn't as gentle and careful of others. Little did I know I was blessed with the best father who is a perfect blend of sensitivity and toughness, a perfect gentleman. Abba, you likely didn't spare any opportunity to scold me through the day, but as I go to bed and there sleep, you would come around, arranging my blankets, pillows, like a little laughter at 12 I could fall asleep, and say a prayer. That is the loving and caring father you are. In this world where many daughters have to fight for their own rights, thank you for being the father who loves, trusts, and believe his daughters as much as his sons. Nothing makes me prouder than being a daughter, and I can't be more grateful to God for giving me life's greatest gift in the form of a loving, caring, loyal, brave, dignified, and most importantly, a God-loving father. May you always find favor in God's eyes. May you live long and healthy and continue to work for God's kingdom and His glory alone. Happy Father's Day, and I love you.
Wangna Payimlan Mulanda Payang Islam China Tamna. Ado pa ninyo ma to pa kan jeng ke iganang. To nok sama kembang na pubu ke siang pa wunjai wa hayim jana jong nan jing na sa pa ada jam lu sa kan ngoang ge. Pa wa ada ni janoi sinya wang sama ya ang ba pa utika kan ang yang ge. Pa mi ye ha ke yong o yong yang we. To yu bu ke siang wow leng bu lamda ni janoi ye lan ba ada wang we pa ngoang ge. Pa wa ye phau ka na mo ku ni je in kem o yong ni je nhiều super chim những cái gì hay bắt lét đi đi phải tàu vui game ngoan đi vui thì cái sơn cần nó vụ bà ở đây năng cái xem là tàu mong dùng tay bút trả tàu bà tàu mau khi nó mang đâm bà nhiều tàu ở cái thằng mù mang cặp bà yan đại của chính nó rồi ở đâu bà như vậy rồi mong nó tắt cái nào bị ăn hạ bù mây bùa yan chậm mau bù dùng gì mây ở khu gì các đồng nghiệp mà trả thân ở cái thằng bù mong mây ở đâu bà cấp vui bà cần bù ya yang thì xem bà năng bù dùng ở biểu lấy này bà ở đây nhiều quá vu thì bác sĩ mà ở đây là bác sĩ bên nào bà ở đây yếu quá giác phong tan nhiên gì tăng lại em ăn gì tăng sẽ là nhiều quá gì giác phong tan nhiên nó hát lạc chứng gì mấy xí năng nhiều lại em ăn nó hát lạc này gì nào rồi gì nhiều đầu chừng một chỗ muốn hãy em chẳng nó không ăn chứng là gì bà ở đây yếu quá thay nào lần đây lép phụ mấy hơi ạ dùng mấy chơi ông lần đây vòng xem hơi ạ nhiều bà lần đây y xịa rồi nhiều quá em gì nhiều cũng về super chim được cũng con cái nhiều vui ba ngao chay rồi vui ba tộc về được vui được ở đây về nhiều mọi người tên nhị và cần bù chén là chính là tôi mình bực tâm bù chén menyong pa ba Yannyu Eanglam pa Eanglam Moilan da pa yang Islam China tamnang kawang pa Eanglam Moilan yan Chenlong sang jo Moiman ang damba. Thank you.